घने जंगल के बीच बैठा हुआ एक शेर. Let's check with 16:9. Hi everyone, today's video is all about playing with images. Adobe has brought a new generative AI tool called Adobe Firefly, which generates images with some prompts. In today's world, images play a great role in many things, including content creation, marketing. Whether we are building a website or we are writing a blog, we need images, we need high quality images to attract our customers. And that's where Adobe Firefly comes handy to create images of our imagination. Not only that, it is also a great AI tool for children to increase their creativity. During our childhood, we used to get attracted towards any kind of image, and now children can create their own images with their imagination, with their creativity and ideas, and it will develop their mind in creativity and creative thinking. Now let's see what are the amazing features Firefly offers. Let's start from the scratch. In our browser, we will search Adobe Firefly, and this is the home page of Adobe Firefly, and you can see it shows Explore Firefly Beta. So currently it is under development and testing, so that's why it is showing as beta. Click on this and we will land on this page. So the first feature is text to image, then we have generative fill, then we have text effects. We'll see each of them one by one. Let's first check text to image, and here we have lots of samples given. All these are created by Adobe Firefly, and it also comes with respective prompts. Let's check one of these, and this one looks good. And the prompt for this image is a modern house sitting on an island in a pond surrounded by mountains. Now let's go back and try with our own prompts. A beautiful tree with full of red and yellow leaves in a desert. And let's see what it generates. And these are the 4 images it has generated. This looks pretty nice, and the content type here is art. Let's click on photo. And just look at this, how realistic and how beautiful this is. Open each of them one by one, and whichever you like, you can just keep it and download it. And in our prompt, we can further add few more things so that accordingly it will create new images. So the new prompt now is a beautiful tree with full of red and yellow leaves in a desert during sunset. And let's generate. And now it shows the same images during sunset. This looks so realistic. Now I'll add and birds flying nearby the tree. A beautiful tree with full of red and yellow leaves in a desert during sunset, and birds flying nearby the tree. And let's click on generate. If you want more images, you can just click on refresh, and it will create more images of the same prompt. I can save it to my favorites, and also I can download it like this. Continue. Currently it is coming with watermark, maybe because it is in the beta stage, that is it is still under development and testing. When it will be fully available, maybe after that the watermark won't be there, and we can download the image without watermark. We can also change the aspect ratio to, let's select 16:9, that is widescreen, and now it looks more beautiful. So this is how you can generate different images from your text or from your prompts. We can also give our prompts in our native language. So let's try with Hindi now. And the best way is to go to Microsoft Translate, and using the voice command I will type my prompt in Hindi. मॉनसून के दौरान पहाड़ियों में एक सुंदर झरना और बहुत सारे पेड़. Let's copy this. And these are the images. Currently the content type is art. Let's select photo. And these are the amazingly beautiful realistic images. You can also submit it to Firefly Gallery like this. And as I said, it is coming with watermark now. Meanwhile, if you have any questions regarding this, Adobe provides a set of question and answers. You can go to the main page, and down it shows questions and some answers. These are the questions. What is Adobe Firefly? What is generative AI? So if you want to understand it more in detail, you can check these questions. Let's check this question. What if my prompt is not accurately translated? So the same thing what we did now. We gave the Hindi prompt. So what it does, we currently support prompts in over 100 languages using machine translation to English provided by Microsoft Translator. The same thing what we did. So in the background, basically it translates it into English using Microsoft Translator. So in the image, if you like it, you can click on like or dislike, or if there is any issue in the image, you can click on report. Let's give one more prompt in Hindi. घने जंगल के बीच बैठा हुआ एक शेर, and this is what is generated. Using refresh, we can generate more photos. Let's check with 16:9, and of course it looks more beautiful with widescreen aspect ratio. Okay, so this is how you can generate images with your prompts. Now let's check another feature in Adobe Firefly, that is Generative Fill. So this is Generative Fill. It says use a brush to remove objects or paint in new ones from text descriptions. Let's check it out. And here also it comes with so many sample images. Let's check this one. And in this image, let's try to change the background. Click on background. So now the background is completely removed and only the house is there. And now we'll give our prompt. Make the background snowfields and snow mountains, and it completely changes the background according to our prompt. You can choose whichever you like. I think this one looks good, so I'll keep it. Now we can play around this image using our prompts. Here I want some birds flying, so using the brush I'll select this part and I'll give the prompt add some beautiful birds flying. And these are the new images with the birds flying nearby the house. I like this one, so let's keep this one. Now let's try to change the color of the trees in the background. So we'll use the brush and we'll select the part, and I'll give a prompt as make the trees with red and yellow leaves. And this one looks good. Even this one also looks good. Let's keep this one. Now in order to remove anything that we have added, just click on this remove option and select the part and click on remove button, and it will remove the part. Use our own image that we have created previously. Upload the image, and here let's try to change the background again. We will select this part. Make snow hill during winter, and this is how it modifies the image. Wow, this looks very nice. So this is how, using Generative Fill feature of Adobe Firefly, we can change any image according to our imagination, according to our creativity. Now let's check the next feature, that is text effects. It says apply styles or textures to text with a text prompt. Let's click on this and check it out. And here we'll give our text and we'll describe the text effects we want to generate. Here in the text, I'll give my name Kamal, and the text effects I want water droplets. And now my name is displayed according to my prompt, that is with water droplets. And also we can give a background color. Let's give this one. Let's give a new prompt, plywood. Now my name will be displayed in plywood textures. So these are the features we checked: text to image, generative fill, and text effects. The next one is generative recolor. It is for vectors. Vector is a different type of artwork, and there are more features. You can see these are in exploration. That means it is still under development and testing. We can see 3D to image, extend image. Like that, there are so many in explorations. So I hope you enjoyed this. And as I said, it is a great AI tool for kids. They can create their images according to their imagination, and it can definitely help them to increase their creativity. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, share it with your younger ones, and thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.